Hey guys, some fantastic lean improvements here at the Lean Guitar Shop today. So let's see. First is this switch tester. We use these switches on every single guitar. They're a serious defect area because the switches, when we get them in, they often don't work and we have no way to test them. So we put them into a guitar, and then what you find is when the whole guitar is assembled, you flick through the sounds and you get these iffy connections where you move this around and the sound changes and then the sound switches off when you go here. Really, really annoying. Takes a lot of time because you've got to strip the whole guitar apart. So I built this little tester with an Arduino board, and now you can just flick through your 5 positions and you can see it just shows up on the little LED. So if you've got a dodgy connection, you'll see the LED as you move this. The LED will flash on and off, and it's really easy to change out a switch. So you just tack on the switch onto these little jigs, which we can make up in 5 minutes, one of them, not even, and then you can just plug on another switch here. So I have another one ready here, and you can see this goes through a little test where it flashes through the LEDs to say it's waiting for a switch, and you can see straight away I'm on position 3, 4, 5. So it works really, really great. And the other process improvement we've added is this deoxid spray, which is an electric contact cleaner, and it also seals and protects the electrical contact. So we spray a tiny bit of that into the switch as well, because these guys were causing us loads of defects. Crazy time, very frustrating. You've got a finished guitar, everything is perfect, and you got to strip the whole thing apart to change out the switch. So hopefully that's going to get rid of that problem. Delighted with that. The next thing is a mini Poka-Yoke. So when we're washing cups and everything in the sink, we use this little bowl, but the problem was it had a hole on this side and not on this side. So I would always go and hang it up on the little thing, and I'd have the wrong side. So I did a Poka-Yoke and I added a hole on the second side. Works great. Another thing that I also did is this guy, I'm using this for cleaning the cups. You put this in on the drill, and if you have like 6 or 8 cups to do, if there was a couple of people here for tea and coffee, you buzz through them. It's great. Really reduces the time. And another little thing, I know this is a small thing, but I've added this dock here for this yoke, which is a remote feeder. So you press the button and it gives the doggo treats, and what it allows you to do is to train her, because she wants to play all the time, so I don't get any work done. So now I can kind of train her while I'm doing stuff, so that she kind of chills in her bed. I watched some videos on it, and it's really, really great. And then the last thing was, these were all improvements since yesterday. The last thing was added these pointers right where you need them at the pencil. So got these made in Germany ones. They're really nice. Stadler tried them out first and filled the back of them with like an isopon filler because they were hollow, and added on the Velcro. And I've added a few of them. There's another one down over here beside Polish Rose pencils, and in a couple of other areas. So right where you need them, you can point your pencil. That's a couple of the lean improvements from just yesterday, and more to come tomorrow.